Researchers was surprised when they heard this dangerous voice from the Antarctic Ocean. Welcome to Incredible World. Actually, they were researching about another thing, but this voice confused them in a debate. Viewers, from then, when humans discover Antarctica, till now, we are getting confused every day in its mystery. This continent is 40% larger than the Europe. Antarctica continent is spreads over 1,36,00,000 square kilometer. That means, for India or 17 Pakistan-like countries can be fit in this continent. Antarctica is the only continent which is least explored by the researchers. And of course, we are well known by the reason, yes, its extreme conditions. Snow from the overall world, even of glaciers, or of mountains collectively make only 10% of the Antarctic snow. From the previous, thousands of years snow is continuously gathering in Antarctica. In many places of Antarctica, snow has frozen up to 4.7 kilometers height. That means, 5 Burj Khalifa can set in Antarctica snow, and even after that many space remains empty. In several previous centuries, many of the secrets of Antarctica had reveals. But, still researchers are trying to resolve the mysterious of Antarctica by risking your life. In this video we will know the 4 mysteries of Antarctica. Number 4 is pyramids. Different geologists have different opinions related to Antarctica. Some said that there are so critical conditions that ancient civilization didn't exist here. Some said that aliens had some link with this. But in 2016, satellite captured a surprising scene in Antarctica. With the melting of snow, some pyramid-like structures appeared in Antarctica. This photo confused geologists even more. Its all 4 sides looks alike as Egypt pyramids, and each side is exactly of 2 kilometers length. This is not confirmed, but there is a lot of chance that this pyramid is formed by some ancient civilization. And if this is formed by some civilizations, then there must be some other pyramids like this. If we believe this theory for a while, then there must be a lot of questions that will pop in our mind. That who are those people, and in such freezing cold how they made this pyramid? Yes, this is true that through ice code drilling thousands of year-old snow has been collected, which proves that millions of years ago, there was similar snow before, in which life could not exist. But, in 2017 German geologists did ice code drilling, and result from that snow, gave them a shock. In code drilling snow, they found thousands of years old plants and trees sample. These trees are same as trees found in a rainforest. According to scientists, over 11,000 years ago, whole Antarctica was not covered with ice. Some areas were like, where life was possible, and were green areas. We still don't know that, if this pyramid is man-made or natural. As, this pyramid is not checked physically. Because that place is not reachable by man. Number 3 is strange sound. In 2002 a huge part of snow broke down and became a part of sea. This ice cube known as Larsen B, which is 3,250 square kilometers long, and 220 meter wide. This snowflake is almost equal to size of whole city, Karachi. After mixing up of this, such a huge flake in sea, cause increase in the level of sea water. At first, scientists and geologists think that this breakdown of huge ice flake is because of global warming. No more other ice flake break. For this scientists started working in north of Antarctica. They input 34 sensitive sensors in the ice of Ross Ice Shelf. Actually, they want to know, for what reason ice flake breaks and how to stop them from breaking. There are many ice dunes in Antarctica, which kept the ice flakes insulate. Through these sensors, physical properties and structures of ice shelf was being traced. But, the result of this research, create hustle and bustle in the whole scientific society. Through data we get to know that, Ross Ice Shelf is continuously vibrating. And, this voice was heard from that. Frequency of this voice is only 5, and that's why, human ear can't directly hear this. This data is telling that, there must be some force which is continuously vibrating this ice flake. After so much research, some changes was observed in this voice. During that this was also observed, after changing of weather, this voice also got changed. Then at least, this was concluded that this voice is produced, due to air flowing. And, when air changes its direction this voice also changed. Just like a flute, whose voice changes with the change of air blow. Number 2. Under ice lakes, to imagine anything under the tough layer of Antarctica is quite difficult. The truth is that, scientists discovered many lakes under such tough layers of snow. In 1970, first lake was discovered in Antarctica. Till now more than 400 lakes had been discovered. That are still not got freezed, even from the last 1,000 years. The biggest one, Lake Vostok's, which was discovered by Russian scientists. This is not only the biggest lake of Antarctica, but also the third biggest of world. This was almost 3.5 km down, and besides this, that temperature of this lake was -3, but, still its water was not freezed. This lake is, 20 million years old. In 2014 scientists discovered some microorganisms, that were only found in this lake, in the whole world. How these organisms are living without any sunlight and fresh air. According to experts, the main source for these organisms is the methane gas, that is getting up from the water. Now number 1. Mount Erebus. Is there any area, in the world's coolest continent, where fire is getting out? It's very difficult for us to trust this. But, truth is that there are many volcanoes present in this continent. For volcanoes are present in Ross Island, among them one is active volcanoes. This 3,800 height volcanoes is active since previous million years. Presence of active volcano in Antarctica is not more than a wonder. This volcano is present at a remote area and that's why, this is almost impossible to reach at this volcano due to harsh weather. In 2013, some scientists became able to reach at this volcano. They collect some microorganisms from there. It is believed that these organisms are only found in Antarctica, in the whole world. That's it for today, thanks for watching.